Hello, my name is Bae Baker. I'm a graduate student at the University of Vermont, where I study an immune cell called the dendritic cell. Recently, we've been using the Gibco iMatch serial lot matching tool in order to buy new FBS for our lab, and I just wanted to talk about why I think it was such a nice tool to have. We have been able to use different lot numbers from our past to try and find new serum lots to be able to keep our cell culture really consistent. And one of the ways that we do that is by looking at the different parameters that Gibco tests on each of the FBS lots in comparison to your old lot. Our dendritic cells are semi-adherent, so we look at the growth and plating parameters, and if they're close to 100%, meaning they compare really well to our old lot, we feel like we have better cell culture options and they're going to stay more comparable in terms of our phenotypes on the later end of our culturing system. So we've been really enjoying that part. Overall, we think that the serum matching tool is really easy and reliable. It allows us to not only find new lot options from a wide range of FBS types, but it gives us different ways to look at the different parameters, such as what's in the FBS, how they play to one another, and then also in terms of general FBS testing conditions, we feel like we have a better buy after we look at this tool. And last, we also really enjoy the different size options, seeing what's available, and then the fact that you can directly click your specific lot that you choose right into your cart allows a lot of flexibility.